welcome back to mathsy.com. We do the continuation of the question number 3 of triangles exercise 6.2. You are ready? Should we start? Here we go. So AN by AB is equal to AN by AD. This is what we have to prove. Now children, any quadrilateral is divided into two triangles, can be divided into two triangles. So whenever you are having the question like this, parallel and the ratio, immediately you should think of the triangle. Even though the quadrilateral or the pentagon, whatsoever may be, the shapes are given, your mind must think about only the triangle. Then only you can pick up your parallel lines and the ratio. Now you can see here that is ABC is my triangle, and in this triangle LM is parallel to BC. So you will think about, you just look only this triangle, just for the time being you just ignore this triangle and just only concentrate on this part, which is a triangle ABC. So I will go for the proof in triangle ABC. I can say that LM is parallel to BC. That means my ratios are equal. So in that LM is parallel to BC implies AM by MB is equal to AL by LC. Children, many of the students still have a doubt from where I should take the ratio. I tell you, this hint will help you a lot to take your ratio. Now you can see this is the vertex, that is ABC is my triangle and this is my top vertex, and now PQ is my line which is parallel to BC. Now which is parallel to BC means the ratios are equal. You will not take the ratios from BP, that is parallel lines you will not take. You will take from the top vertex. AP by PB is equal to AQ by QC. Now hope you understand. From the vertex you have to pick up your ratio. This is the main point to understand and to get your ratios thoroughly. So I can see this is parallel to this one. The vertex is here. So my ratios are AM by BM is equal to AL by LC. Hope you understand. AM by BM is equal to AL by LC. Now the same in triangle. Now you consider the another triangle, that is this triangle. So in this triangle LN is parallel to CD. So think only about that triangle. Just ignore this triangle for the time being. So in triangle ABC, LN is parallel to CD. So LN is parallel means what? This is parallel sides. So my vertex is here. So I will write AL by LC is equal to AN by DN. Hope you understand how to take the ratio. Now you can see in Thales theorem video we have seen if one side of both equation, that is left hand sides, are equal, automatically the right hand sides will be equal. Now see AL by LC, AL by LC, that means these two are equal. So I can write AM by BM. I can write AM by BM is equal to 1 and 2 implies AM by BM is equal to AN by DN. Hope you get this point. AM by BM is equal to AN by DN. Children, but I have to prove. What I have to prove? I have to prove that is AM by AB is equal to. So I have to get this AM by AB. In Thales theorem video, when I was explaining, I told you in triangle chapter one adding on either side or subtracting on either side, it is common. So you have to think about how to add your one on the other side or subtract on the other side. That you have to think about. I told you in the video where I said about your proving the Thales theorem. So what I do here is I'm going to add, that is AM by BM, but I have to get my AB. So what I will do, plus 1 I have to. You have to think about it. So AM by BM I get it AB, divided by BM only I will get. So why? Because LCM is going to be BM. So the another concept I told you, adding 1 or subtracting 1 is common in triangle chapter. One more concept I told you, taking the reciprocal is also common in this chapter. So these are the hints many of the students not getting those techniques, how to get the LCM or how to get the corresponding sides. So these are the hint points in that chapter, that is taking the reciprocal. So how you will take the reciprocal? Now you see, I just write this one, take the LCM. So AM plus BM, I get AM plus BM AB, but the whole thing divided by BM I am getting, but I have to get AM. So what I will do here itself, I just take the reciprocal. So BM by AM is equal to DN by AN. Hope you understand this one. So this can be written as by reciprocal, taking reciprocal. It can be written in this way. So my proof will be easier. So now I am going to add 1 on both the sides. So BM plus AM divided by AM is equal to DN plus AN divided by AN. Now please go and check in the diagram. BM plus AM is nothing but AB. So I will write AB divided by AM is equal to DN plus AN is nothing but AD. So AD divided by AN. This is what I have to prove. That is AB by AM is equal to AD by AN. This is what I have to prove. So what I do to get exact this one, take again the reciprocal, that is AM by AB, that is understood, that is equal to AN by AD. So this is my proof. So that's what I told you, taking the reciprocal is common in this chapter. So understand this one, hence the proof. So you proved everything. So what you will write at the end? At the end you will write it, hence the proof. Hope you understand this question, how to get your proof. This is just a beginning. Now when you move on to the next question, you will clearly understand how to get add, subtract, how to get your reciprocal, everything. For that, children, you have to practice a lot. For that, you have to continuously watch the videos so that you will not miss the concepts in between. Even 1 or 2 concepts if you miss, it is difficult to get the solution or the proof for the next question. So please do continuously watch the video, have a patience and write the proof and understand the concept and take the notes. Surely your triangles chapter will be just easier than any other easiest chapter in math in 10th standard. And you will be preparing for the board exam very easily, very in an ease manner. You can be ready for the board exam. Now we move on to the 4th question. So the 4th question says like this. So the question is, in figure DE is parallel to AC. So I have to draw my triangle. Everywhere in this they are giving only the triangle ABC. Why? Because to get the concept clear. we are doing everything, anything only in the triangle ABC. So your brain must pick up only the triangle, even though there are so many triangles given in one triangle, or the quadrilaterals given, and inside so many triangles are given. You should be concentrating only on the particular triangle where the two lines are parallel. Hope you understand this concept now. Now, we'll move on to the fourth question. DE parallel to AC and DF parallel to AE. So, my triangle is given, triangle ABC is given like this. And it is said DE is parallel to AC. So I have drawn DE is parallel to AC. And then DF is parallel to AE. That means there must be AE. So I should have my AE first. And DF is parallel to. So this is parallel to this one. And this is parallel to this one. Hope you understand the diagram clearly. Now, we have to prove that BF by FE. So, what should I prove? To prove BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. BE by EC. This is what I have to prove. So, before that, let me write what is given. Given as ABC is a triangle. And the second point, DE is parallel to AC, and the third point, DF is parallel to AE. This is what is given. Hope you understand from the diagram. Now, I have to prove this one. So, proof. I go for the proof. So, DE parallel to AC. That means this is parallel to this one. So, these two lines are parallel. So, I have to consider this is the one side of the triangle. See, look at it. How you take the triangle. There are so many triangles. This one triangle, this one triangle, this one triangle, this one triangle, and the bigger triangle. So many are there. But you have to pick up exactly your triangle. So, which is your triangle? That is DE parallel to AC. That means this AC is my one side of the triangle where it go and touches, meet at the vertex at B. Now you can understand the triangle like this. So my triangle, in triangle ABC. Hope you get this one. In triangle ABC, DF is parallel to AC. That implies by Thales theorem, BD by AD is equal to BE by EC. So now the next triangle, that is in triangle. Which is that triangle? Look at the triangle please. That is DF is parallel. DF is parallel to AE. So this is the bigger parallel. So that means this go and touch in the vertex B. Now you can understand the triangle. So in triangle ABE. So your eyes must go and pick up the triangle ABE only. So in triangle ABE, DF is parallel to AE. That implies what? DF parallel means BD by AD. BD by AD is equal to BF by FE. Hope you understand BF by FE. Now you can see this is both are equal. Left hand side, both the equations are equal. This is 1 and this is 2. So that means these two are equal, which I have to prove. So 1 and 2 implies, so what does my 1 and 2 implies? Left hand sides are equal for both the equation. So my right hand sides are equal. So 1 and 2 implies BE by EC is equal to BF by FE. Hence the proof. Hope you understand. We prove the theorem. This is what to be proved. I got this one. So this is what your question about to prove the ratios are equal. So here the hint is you have to pick up your right triangle. Right triangle means the exact triangles, not the 90-degree triangle. The exact triangles you have to pick it properly so that you will get your ratios correctly. Okay, and we move on to the next question. The next question given like this in figure. So you can draw the figure. This children, those who are having your taking the notes, you can draw the figure with me. And you can write the proof by yourself. If you have a doubt, you can check it on the board and you can listen to the explanation. After a few questions, I'm telling you to write your own proof. Try to write your own proof, but it must be correct. But if you are finding somewhere you are getting stuck, you please listen to the video, pause the video and rewind it and listen to the video again and get the point clearly. So fifth question, it says like this: DE is parallel to OQ, DF is parallel to OR. So it is given, show that EF parallel to QR. Now let me draw the diagram first. This diagram is given. You are going extending your diagrams in so many ways. It's just a triangle, but so many triangles are given. So it is a triangle and it is drawn like this. And it is said it's a triangle PQR and it is named O. Now, so I have DE parallel to OQ. So I have to draw like this. So it is parallel. So DE is parallel. You can see here it is parallel. And then DF is parallel. DF is parallel to OR. So you can see DF is parallel to OR. It's very clear. And you have to prove EF is parallel to QR. Actually, you have to prove that, show that EF is parallel to QR. So to prove EF parallel to QR, what should you prove? EF parallel to QR. That means, that is, I have to prove the ratios are equal. This is parallel to this one, means this is my vertex. So PE divided by QE is equal to PF divided by FR. That is what I have to prove. I have written, even if it is given it is parallel to QR to prove, what should I prove? Parallel means what I will prove. So by Thales theorem, I understood if it is to be parallel, I have to prove the ratios are equal. So if the ratios are equal, automatically the lines will be parallel. So I have to prove the ratios are equal. So what is given first? So given is in triangle PQR, I'm given DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. This is what I'm given. So I'm going for proof now. So children, you should know to pick up your triangle. That's a big task here. So DE is parallel to this one. I told you this is the bigger line, correct? So now children, we have to prove PE by QE is equal to PF by FR. Now I told you, take the triangle such that the triangle, this is a bigger parallel line. So my triangle is this one. Hope you get this one. So in triangle POQ, in triangle POQ, I say ED or DE is parallel. It is given DE. So I write the same. DE parallel to OQ. So how my ratio goes? PE divided divided by QE is equal to PD divided by DO. This is my first one. And the second one, DF is parallel to OR. Where is my DF? This is my DF. It is parallel to OR. So my triangle is this one. So hope you get my triangle. So the triangle, in triangle POR. So it is POR, DF is parallel to OR. That means my ratio goes PD divided by DO is equal to PF by FR. This is my second one. Now you can see PD by DO in 1 and 2. So the other two sides are automatically equal. So I write that is PE divided by 1 and 2 implies PE divided by QE is equal to PF divided by FR. Hence the proof. So it is so simple. It is not a big deal here in triangle chapter. Only thing is you should know to pick up your triangle. If you pick up your triangle and the parallel lines, automatically the ratios will just come on the way. Okay, so this is easy to prove this kind of questions. Now we move on to the sixth question. That is in figure 6.21. A, B, C are the points on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB parallel to PQ, AC parallel to PR, show that BC parallel to QR. So I have to prove BC parallel to QR. Children, here also we have to prove EF parallel to QR. So the ratios are equal, implies automatically EF parallel to QR. So hope you understand this point, and so we move on to the sixth question. So writing the what is asked and what is given, that will help you a lot. So write the what I have to prove in terms of mathematical form. So in that format we have to write. It is not writing B F is parallel or EF is parallel to BC in words. No, write it in a mathematical form. That will make you easier to catch up the clues in that question. So go for the sixth question. So the diagram is given like this, that is PQR is a triangle. And in that it is given, it is O. Now AB parallel to PQ, so I have to draw AB parallel to PQ, and then BC parallel to, we have to prove that BC parallel to QR, AC parallel to PR, it is given. So AC parallel to PR, I have to prove BC parallel to QR, I have to prove this one, that is these two are parallel. Now what is given? Given is in triangle PQR, AB, first point AB parallel to PQ, and second point AC parallel to PR. I have to prove BC parallel to QR. Means what? That is BC parallel to QR means what I have to prove? This is my triangle. So this is my ratio. So sorry, the parallel side. So my triangle is OQR. So I have to prove in triangle OQR, OB divided by BQ. Hope you get, that is OB divided by BQ is equal to OC divided by CR. This is what I have to prove. So first you will write what to be proved. Now I go for the proof in first. AB parallel to PQ. Go for AB parallel to PQ and pick up your triangle. So AB parallel to PQ. This is my triangle is this one. Which one? POQ is triangle. So in triangle POQ, it is given AB parallel to PQ. Means what? That implies what? So OA divided by AP is equal to OB divided by BQ. This is what you are given. You get it in triangle. Since the two lines are parallel, you get the ratio. Now I go for the second triangle, that is AC parallel to. So the first is this one and the second is this one. That is AC parallel to PR. So that implies what? Where is my triangle? Pick up your triangle. So AC, this one parallel to this one. So my triangle is this one. So my triangle is POR. So in triangle POR, I have AC parallel to PR. So how do you write the ratio? The ratio will be OC divided by CR is equal to OA divided by AP. So this is my second equation. So this is my first and this is my second equation. So children, so first and second equation gives you like this. That is 1 and 2 implies, I have 1 and 2 implies. So OA by AP on both the sides. So OB divided by BQ is equal to OC divided by CR. So that is, you prove, that means what? That implies BC is parallel to QR by Thales theorem. So hence the proof. Hope you understand how you get the proof for this question. So first you have to pick up your triangle and then you get your ratios. Then automatically you get your lines are equal, parallel, or the ratios are equal.